You can find this patch of grass at Hobby Lobby in the spring section. I'm going to flip mine over and I'm going to clip apart a section that's going to fit on this board that I picked up at the Dollar Tree. I'm going to remove the hanger and take my Bosch stapler and staple the grass to the board. I found these Easter trees at the Dollar Tree. And I'm going to take these little blocks, you can get them in a set at the Dollar Tree, glue them into the mesh bottom of the grass just to raise up a bit so I could glue the tree to the block. And I did this with 3 trees. Gluing the little block between the grass down to the wood and then gluing the tree on top of the block. I found this truck at the Dollar Tree and I'm going to paint it in our Higgins Lake. I'm going to take some chocolate for the rail in the back and then black on the tires. Then I'm going to take some of the Higgins Lake and get it inside so that when we look at it, we're seeing all the blue. I found this Happy Easter banner on a package from the Dollar Tree. It's a package to eggs that I'm going to be using. And I'm just going to cut out the banner the best that I can. And it says Happy Easter. It's just cardboard. And then I'm going to glue it to the door of my truck using hot glue. I took a large Jenga block and painted it in the Higgins Lake and glued it to the back of the truck on the inside. Then I'm going to take those eggs, I'm going to take 3 of them, and glue them to the Jenga block on the inside of the truck. Then I'm going to take some moss that you can also get from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to glue it around the eggs. Then I'm going to go back to my patch of grass and I'm going to take some floral wire and sift it down through the grass and tie it to the tires in the front and in the back of the truck so that it's secured to the patch of grass. And now you have this adorable Easter scene that you can use as a shelf sitter or a centerpiece, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkatofancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper transfers, cutouts, or mesh stencils, chalkatofancy.com. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.